Sexual performance anxiety can impact us in many ways, but one of the most common ways is our erections. We can feel stuck in our head with questions like, can I be fixed? Am I broken? What's wrong with me? So in this video, I'm sharing 7 things we can expect to happen if sexual performance anxiety impacts our erections. If you find this video helpful and relatable, the first step to getting performance anxiety sorted is understanding what is going on for you personally. You will see below in the comments the link to the performance anxiety quiz. This is a free quiz, 10 yes or no questions that you answer, so you will see your score and get to the bottom of what is going on for you. Whether it is erection challenges or ejaculation challenges or climax challenges, there's a few things in common threads that happen when we're experiencing performance anxiety. The first is this intense set of what if thoughts. What if it happens again? It happened before. What if it happens again the next time? What if they leave me because of this? What if I can't satisfy them? What if I can never get this sorted? So that is a classic symptom of performance anxiety, these what if questions and feeling stuck in our head. The second thing is this sinking feeling in the moment. So whether that is before and we feel like we're about to lose our erection or we're about to come too soon or not, there is this moment, this tipping point where we feel this sensation in our body that's like, shit. So that is also a classic symptom. And then finally, a feeling of panic or a feeling of terror when it comes to thinking about sex and intimacy. Terror is maybe a strong word, but this genuine like, and then the what if questions start, right? It's related to that sinking feeling, but it is this, like the feeling sometimes we can get standing on the edge, looking over if we were on a really tall building. That type of like, oh my God, what if? It's not as intense as that, but it's like a mini version of that. So these types of things are, whether we're experiencing erection challenges or ejaculation challenges, it's normal to have these kinds of symptoms when performance anxiety is at play. So let's now move on to specific to our erections. Here are 7 things we can expect to happen. As we're going through these, you will not experience every single one of them. That's normal as well, okay? So I just want to make sure that is clear. However many of these you do or don't experience, this is just the different types of things that can happen with our erections as we experience performance anxiety. Number 1, losing our erection before sex. So it comes to the heat of the moment, perhaps there's some kissing, some cuddling, and things are starting to heat up. And then we know it's about to happen, we're feeling it, that perhaps we start off hard, but then when it actually comes to it's time to do this, taking the clothes off or getting ready to initiate sex, we can lose the erection. Number 2 is losing the erection during sex. So perhaps with oral, with kissing, whatever it may be, with initially, it's not a challenge, but it doesn't take long before we start checking and testing and thinking, oh my God, am I going to lose it again? Is it going to go soft again? We try and avoid, we try and block those thoughts, and then our erection can go soft. Number 3, losing our erection when we reach for a condom. We are kissing, we're in the heat of the moment, we're hard, we're feeling it, and then there is that dreaded moment of we know we're going to have to reach for a condom. We go to open the drawer, and we take the condom out, and we go to put it on, and during that whole thing, we lose our erection, and that's it. It feels like it's done, it's impossible to be able to get it back again, and it's game over. Now, I mentioned the quiz. If these 3 things have been relatable to you so far, then I'd like you to take the free performance anxiety quiz. This is about getting to the bottom of what is going on for you personally and seeing your score. So in the comments below, you'll see the link to the quiz. Click on that link, it will take you straight to the page where you can answer the 10 yes or no questions. Number 4, losing our erection near climax. So things are building up. Our erection has been okay. It may not have been the best ever, but it's been okay during sex. We can feel we're getting closer to the climax, and then we feel that we start to lose our erection as we're getting closer to the climax. And perhaps we can still climax, and that's not a problem, but it is this sinking feeling again, and we're not present in the moment anymore. We just feel like, oh my God, I've got to just keep this going so that I can at least finish the job. Number 5, pills. Viagra, Cialis, Tadalafil, whichever pills it may be, even Rhino pills, gas station pills, then working 50-50. Some of the times they work, other times they don't work. Again, this is a normal thing when it comes to performance anxiety, What we are not told about these pills is that our mindset has to be in the right space. We have to be calm and relaxed when it comes to sex for those to be able to work. So when we're experiencing performance anxiety, we are the opposite of calm and relaxed. And that's why we have this 50-50 experience with pills. Final two, number 6, testing and checking our erection. So whether that is during foreplay or whether it is as we start to initiate sex, finding these sneaky ways to just put our hand down there and to check and to test, am I still hard? Is everything okay? Am I good to go? And we know in our mind that we're doing that. We're not present in the moment. Checking and testing our erections is normal when it comes to performance anxiety. And then number 7, this is more general overall. This feeling of, as we said, the what if questions, but also searching online, feeling this intensity about searching online for answers, trying to find information, trying to find stuff that's relatable, trying to figure out what is going on, or avoiding initiating sex, knowing intentionally that we're changing our body language a bit, or, oh, sorry, I just feel a bit tired tonight, or work's been a bit intense, saying one thing or doing one thing, but in our mind, we know the reality of what is going on. Everything that I've just described in this video, all of these 7 things, no matter how many or few of them are impacting you, this is normal to happen when we're experiencing erection challenges. The first step, as I mentioned, is getting to the bottom of this for you personally. If this has been helpful for you, in the bottom right-hand corner, you will see a button that says subscribe. Click on that button so that you can get the latest brand new videos and tools as I share them.